Container Point Harbour and take a look around. This is parked over there behind these trees, just over here. Probably not the best place to park. That's where I'm going to slot over. So go and take a look around. Lots of nice like boutique shops. This is where the boats go over to Catalina while watching Catalina Express. My little cafe's closed down. And this place used to be bouncing, and it's under, I guess it's new ownership or something, but this very popular place, and they're redoing it all. So here we go. This is looking out at the marina. There's a shipyard over there. Some boats being brought back to new. Filling station over there, the gas station. And this is actually the spot where the Catalina Express goes from. Goes over to what they call the Channel Islands. I think there's 7 of them. The big one obviously being Catalina Island. And then here you can see kind of the commercial fishing boats. This bar here on the right, Turks, opens really early in the morning for the fishermen. Get a good breakfast. How you doing, man? Yeah, popular place. Good place to hang out on this balcony here and just watch the boats coming in.
Put our backpack and our drinks together behind like the where I can see all the photos. Yeah. We just go right up in there and right behind it the spot.
Forgot my sunglasses. Actually, they're in the back of the bike. I should have put them on. Wind of the Sea restaurant. Thanks, man. Oh, it's kind of weird walking along. There's some sea lions over there. Look.
That's like bunker when you come up from an app. Or when you come to the oh yeah, look, there's more of them. Every Monday. They're getting suntans. Look at them. If they bite you, yeah.
There's a lot of them over there by the Orange County Sheriff's boat. Noisy. Some noise. This is really where all the boats will come and exit from the marina. This is the boat that I look at every time I come down here. I know. One day. 54 footer. Beautiful boat. And it's been hours sitting there looking at that thing. Quite a few of them here. Chartered as well. But that one is new and for sale. They have a few of them here actually, the same company. Simon Yachts, I think it is. Yeah, there's another one there. Behind this one. Yep, one day. Here's actually another one, the same boat. This is obviously new though, I would say. Maybe it's the same one.